This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Timothy Toye. Gorgeous lake view from private secluded spot in quality subdivision of 0.6 acre. Level building area for reduced building costs and great for gardening, landscaping and parking when you are done. There is also a gate and shed. Backs onto a large acreage parcel so your privacy is assured. Definitely a choice location in an area of high quality homes on large parcels. Soils analysis for a standard septic system. Water connection is available. Adjacent lot is also available for sale for over an acre. For more information, review the details below or contact Timothy Toye at 707-928-5912.